If you want to know how you can find photos in messages on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Messages app, then select the contact of which you want to see the photos. After that, just tap on the profile icon of the contact. Now over here you will find a section called Photos. Now over here you will find all the photos which you have received from this contact. If you cannot find the Photos section over here, then go to your home screen and open the Settings app. From here, just tap on your Apple ID, and on this page, just tap on iCloud. Tap on See All. Now under Save to iCloud, just tap on iCloud Photos and make sure you enable Sync this iPhone. Now after you enable Sync this iPhone, then tap on Sync. Now as you can see, it is already syncing the photos and the videos from our iCloud, but if it says only Sync, just tap on Sync to sync the photos and videos from your iCloud to your iPhone. After that, just go back, and from here just tap on Messages in iCloud, then enable Use on this iPhone. Now after you enable Use on this iPhone, then tap on Sync Now. If the Sync Now option is grayed out, then wait for a few seconds and tap on it to sync your messages from your iCloud to your iPhone. Now this might take from a few hours to a few days, but after this process is completed, you will sync the messages from your iCloud to your iPhone. Now as you can see, the syncing process has been completed. Now if we go to the home screen and if we open the Messages app, and if the Messages app is already opened, just swipe up and close it from the Recent Apps section. Then open it one more time. Now just select the contact from here, then tap on the profile of the contact and you will be able to find the Photos section over here. Now if this method did not work, then just follow the next method. For that, just go back and in the Messages app, just tap on the search section. Now just search the name of the contact. And after you do that, you will find the Photos section. And from here, you will find all the photos which have been shared by the selected contact. Just like that. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now once the force restart process is completed, then open the Messages app and from here just check if this fixed your issue or not. If this also did not work, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on General, and under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update. Now from here, just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. Now just tap on Update Now and you will update the software of your iPhone. And this is how you can find photos and messages on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.